Sink you in love.
What?
Are you kidding me? Gods must be punishing me. Can't see, you're a drunken bed.
Wow, I slept well last night. What about you? You look like a deranged lover. What happened to you?
I think I just might be. You know why? Because you snore! It feels like I'm sleeping in a farm with a tractor!
I beg your pardon?
Too late for that.
Too late for that? How can you accuse me of something like this? I don't snore!
I can prove it to you, okay?
You can prove it to me.
Oh yeah?
So how will you do that?
I haven't thought this through, but I can.
Okay, then just do it.
I will.
Really?
I will.
Really?
Yeah. This is how I'm going to prove it to you, alright? Ah. Yeah.
Whatever.
Wait, I'm rewinding this.
You're such a fool.
Why aren't you snoring in this?
Because I don't.
But you did the other night.
Did you have a bad dream again?
Shut up, Z. I'm pretty sure you did snore, okay? Just what? You did snore, just give me the.
No, I didn't. Shut up.